Hi, my name is Dr. Kim McCoy. I'm a holistic chiropractor from San Francisco, and this is how to use Chinese meditation balls. Chinese meditation balls are small metallic balls, usually about 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. They should fit comfortably in the palm of one hand, and the way you use them is you hold both of the balls, let them just gently rest in the palm of the hand, and then slowly try to get the balls to rotate around in a clockwise direction. Most people find that the clockwise direction is the easiest. They shouldn't be making a lot of noise, as that would distract from the meditation. And the purpose of the balls is basically to give the body a focal point to help to clear the mind and create a stillness. As you become very comfortable with rotating the balls in a clockwise direction, it's helpful to try and reverse the direction. And again, it creates a focal point for the mind. So that's basically how you use Chinese meditation balls.